There are two levels of users: the administrator mode and the user mode. By default, the user mode is quite restricted. He can route input signals, modify input and output levels, link and mutes, load presets, change device name, import a preset to the PC, force standby, check status. The administrator mode is the one an installer will use, so you will be able to set the user rights. The output mode, different options between high and low impedance. The network configuration. The boot up mode. The delay time to get into standby. And will be able to update the firmware of the unit. By default you will be in user mode. To get to administrator mode you should select the first option in the hardware menu. This option is called Enter Password. Then a pop-up window will appear to enter a password. Type the corresponding password to change the device into administrator mode. By default the password is admin. You will easily notice that you are in administrator mode because it is shown in the title of the window. And you will also see that the left menu has appeared, and also the output mode options on the right side. To get back to user mode, open again the hardware menu, enter password option. When the password is prompted, just leave it in blank and press OK. You immediately will be back into user mode. As you see, administrator does not appear in the title of the window and options are hidden. We can compare menus in administrator mode, shown in the left, and user mode, shown in the right. For example, in the file menu a user can only import the preset to your computer, as you can see in the right window. As you see, many options are not available in user mode. For example, the configure option or the firmware update in the hardware menu. In the configure option in the hardware menu you can find global access rights, and there you will be able to change access rights for the user level. In the global access rights window you can see and modify all the options that can be enabled or not to the user.